What's up people, welcome to EzzyCann. So today we are going to unbox a smart TV. It's an Android TV. It's 60 inch. You can see it's right behind me. It's from Sharp. I'll move to myself, then you can see the TV as well. Okay, this is a 60 inch TV. This is an Android TV. So it comes with Play Store, it comes with Netflix. All these are pre-installed. It comes with Chromecast built-in as well. So if you can see, these are written here. So everything is built-in. So we will unbox the TV. And we will test out the Android functions, as well as we will play some games using my iMac. I'll connect my iMac to this TV and we will play some games as well. So let's go and unbox the TV first. First, you have to prepare your knife. So I have this knife from Stanley. Let me open it. Okay, let's unbox the TV. Okay, before we take out the stuff, let's see what are the items inside. So we have this. I assume this is the leg. Yeah, this is part of the leg. So we should have two legs. One is right and one is for left. So I'll put the leg aside. Then we have the remote control. Let me open. Okay, this is the remote control. These are not so so nice as those LG remote controls, but it has all the functions that you will be able to use without using a keyboard or mouse to control the Android TV. Okay. We have spare batteries. We have 4 batteries here. I'm not sure whether it uses 4 batteries or they have given us spare batteries, and we have some screws. I think these are for legs. Okay. Then this is the other leg. We have the other leg, which is for our right hand side. This is the left or right hand side. Okay, I'll put the side first. Remove them from the frontal part. That's why it break off. So you have to remove them. So there are 4 of these, 2 from the front and 2 from the back. You have to remove them, then the cardboard will come off smoothly. But it's okay. We did the hard way from the front. So let's do the soft way or the right way for the back side. Let's put the TV on top of the TV console. Actually, I have a TV console behind the TV. You cannot see because it's hidden by the TV. Let's put the TV on top of the TV console, then we can see. Ba! Serena! Need your help, really. Like that. Like that. Oh, good. Okay, finally the TV has been set up with the help of my wife. Now I'm turning it on, checking the remote and stuff. You can see it's an Android TV. I'll remove the cardboard both sides once it starts up. It's starting up. Let's check the TV first. Let me set up the remote while it starts up. That's my cat fascinated about the TV. Actually, I thought they have given me 2 spare batteries, but it's not the case. This remote has to be powered by 4 AAA batteries. 4, not 2. 4 AAA batteries. So the TV is still starting up. My cats are playing around. I actually have 3 cats. 2 are here. 1 more is hiding somewhere. So I think it's time to remove the cardboard. Let me remove the cardboard. The remote is ready. Okay, I think I'll remove the cardboard, then proceed with the setup. Move away, move away. Okay, let's set up the TV. Let me grab my chair. Okay, my cat is behind me. Okay, let's set up the TV from here. Okay, let me zoom a bit. Okay, let's go through one by one. English. Set up your TV with an Android phone or tablet. Actually, I have an Android phone, but never mind, skip. Okay, select your Wi-Fi. Let me go and select T4. I haven't even got the chance to. So it only has. It doesn't support 5G internet. You can see it only supports 2G internet. It doesn't support 5G. So this is my 2G. Let's select. Then it asks for the. Let's test out some 4K videos. Hello people, so we have set up we have unboxed and set up the TV. now the TV is ready. I have been using for few days. It looks okay. I have been watching Netflix and watching YouTube and browsing internet using the Chrome browser and stuff. It looks okay. Today what I did is I connected my 5K iMac. My iMac is connected to TV via HDMI. Then I wanted to play CSGO, Counter-Strike, and see the performance and see is there any lags or anything. My iMac is connected to the Wi-Fi. I haven't connected to the LAN cable, but my connection is 1 Gbps, so it should be enough. So in terms of network, I don't think we will have any problem. But in terms of the TV quality, let's check it out. Okay, I'll turn other side and play, and you all can watch how it goes. Where's my mouse? I'm not using any gaming mouse or anything. This is my Magic Mouse 2 and my Magic Keyboard, wireless keyboard. So I'm not using any gaming mouse. Okay, let's play. Okay, as you can see, we played a bit of Counter-Strike. I'm not a good player. I'm not a good first-person shooting game player. I'm not a good gamer. I just wanted to show you guys the performance, so we played. So if you are playing Counter-Strike, you can go and connect with me. My Steam account name is same as my YouTube account name is EzzyCann. You can connect with me. Okay, that's for the TV review. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.